Good morning. Welcome to Easy English 365. This is day 2. Today our topic is making the bed. Before we start, let us remember our daily anchor sentence. A made bed starts a great day. Today, we will learn how to talk about making your bed in the morning. This is a simple habit, but it is a very good way to start your day. Let us learn some new words. Bed. I sleep in my bed. Pillow. My head is on the pillow. Blanket. The blanket is warm. Sheet. The sheet is clean and white. Mattress. The mattress is soft. Make the bed. I make the bed every morning. Smooth. I smooth the blanket. Fold. I fold the blanket. Tuck. I tuck the sheet under the mattress. Neat. The room looks neat. Tidy. I like a tidy bedroom. Messy. The bed is messy now. Wake up. I wake up at 7. Stretch. I stretch my arms in the morning. Morning routine. Making the bed is my morning routine. Duvet. I use a warm duvet in winter. Cover. I pull the cover up. Wrinkle. I smooth out the wrinkle. Straighten. I straighten the pillows. Comfortable. My bed is very comfortable. Now, let us learn some useful everyday sentences. I wake up early every day. First, I stretch my arms and legs. Then, I get out of bed. I start to make the bed. I pull the sheet up. I smooth the sheet with my hands. I fold the blanket neatly. I put the blanket at the bottom of the bed. I straighten the 2 pillows. I tuck the edges of the sheet under the mattress. I smooth out any wrinkles. The bed looks very neat now. A tidy bed makes me feel happy. It is a simple morning routine. I do not leave my bed messy. Making the bed takes only 2 minutes. It gives me a good feeling for the day. My bedroom looks clean and tidy. I sleep in a comfortable bed at night. I always make my bed before I leave the house. You are doing a great job. Learning a little bit every day is the best way to improve your English. Keep going. Let us listen to a short story about Leo. Leo wakes up at 7 in the morning. He stretches his arms and gets out of bed. His bed is messy. Leo starts his morning routine. First, he pulls the clean white sheet up. He smooths the sheet with his hands. Next, he folds his warm blanket and puts it at the bottom of the bed. He straightens his 2 soft pillows. He tucks the edges of the sheet under the mattress. He smooths out a small wrinkle. Now, the bed looks very neat and tidy. Leo looks at his bed and smiles. He feels happy because his bedroom is clean. He knows that a made bed starts a great day. Let us review some important words from today. Bed, pillow, blanket, sheet, make the bed, smooth, fold, tuck, neat, tidy, messy, morning routine, wrinkle, straighten, comfortable. Now, let us review some useful sentences. I make the bed every morning. I smooth the sheet with my hands. The bed looks very neat now. Making the bed is my morning routine. Remember our daily anchor sentence. A made bed starts a great day. Thank you for learning with me today. I hope you have a wonderful morning. Remember to make your bed and start your day with a smile. See you tomorrow for day 3. Tomorrow, in day 3, we will talk about brushing your teeth. Have a great day.